back to the channel, guys. Anyways, guys, what's up? Brand new day. It's another day. Welcome back to the Okay, no, stop. Ain't nobody trying to get copyright. The road to go grab something and drop off something to Shan. Guys, this whole like pandemic is just so annoying. Like, it's actually so annoying. Every time I go on my Facebook, my Instagram, I'm seeing some type of update on like what's going on, and it's just, honestly, it's too much now. Like, no wonder people are going into like panic mode because the social media, which obviously, I mean, they have to update us. Like, I mean, I wouldn't want to be out the loop. I would want to know like what's going on, but at the same time, like, bruh, I think they just decided to shut, or they're going to shut down the Canadian borders. If you're not like a Canadian permanent resident or American, they're not letting you in, and they're advising people to come back, which is so scary because just a couple days ago I was telling Ziggy, I'm like, yo, we low-key can go to Jamaica for like a week or like 5 days and come back and we're fine. But it's almost like it's a good thing we didn't do that, like didn't chance it, because of everything that's going on right now, and them advising like Canadians to come back home because eventually they're probably not gonna be allowed to come back in, which is crazy. You can't come back into your own country. A lot of other countries are like locking down. There's still a shortage on toilet paper. And not only that, there's still like the diapers and the wipes. I'm still stuck on that. Like, I saw this lady made a post and she was actually crying because she's like, people are literally buying out the diapers and the wipes and stocking up on it, and like she understands, but what about those that cannot afford to buy stuff in bulks and stock up? Like, it's so true, and like it's really sad because there's people out there that can't afford to do that. Some people live paycheck to paycheck. Like, we as human beings, we have to be mindful of that. Yes, we're scared and we're trying to be prepared, but at the same time, if you being prepared or getting prepared, remember those that can't afford to buy in bulk and stock up like how you may be able to. It's crazy, man. I've been seeing someone post like that, and even like the elder people, like the elderly people, oh my god, like even that, like, and that never crossed my mind. This one lady shared a story where she was saying how an elderly man went into her grocery store to get some stuff, and he was asking for toilet paper, and she's like, the way how he was moving, like, it's like he was moving so slow, like you can tell something was wrong with him. And then she said there's no toilet paper, so she felt so bad, but like she can help him. Is there anything else in the store that he needs so that she can help him? And then she said as she helped him and was carrying out the groceries to his car, he saw that his wife was in the car and she had like an oxygen tank, like, you know, like the oxygen portable tank. Like, she was saying that it really broke her heart to know that people are not thinking about the elderly people. And it's true, like, it's really sad, man. It's crazy. Some people are saying it feels like the world is ending. Oh my god. But anyways, guys, I just wanted you guys to know that the newbie fam is okay. Everyone is fine on our side. I hope that everyone is good out there, because I know we have a lot of subscribers that are like literally all over the world. I hope you guys are okay. I hope you guys are prepared in somewhat of a way. I hope you guys are washing your hands. Please wash your hands with with soap and water, because supposedly hand sanitizer is not strong enough to kill the virus. I actually read that in an article. I myself thought that hand sanitizer was fine. Yes, use your hand sanitizer, but also use your soap and water. Like, make sure you're washing your hands. Cover your mouth if you're coughing. Oh my god, it's so annoying going out in public and seeing people cough and not cover their mouth. I don't care if it's a little like, cover your mouth. It doesn't matter if you may not even have the virus, but still, like, you're spreading germs. Just cover your mouth. Like, it's insane. Schools are officially shut down over here. A lot of the classes are online. I know public schools are shut down. Oh man, what a time to be alive, guys. What a time. Anyways, nothing really planned today because, you know, they're advising that if you don't have to go on the road, don't go on the road. So not really trying to go out if I don't have to, and I'm not trying to bring Nyla out because, you know, she is younger. I think they said younger ones can't really catch it, but still, like, I'm not playing that. I'd rather be safe than sorry. Prevention is better than cure, as Jamaicans say. So even gas is so cheap. Like, gas is 82.9, bruh. I cannot tell you guys the last time I seen gas that cheap. Like, we filled up and everything, but dang, like, I can't tell you guys the last time literally, like, early 2000s, 1990 something. Like, I don't even know. This is crazy. But oh man, yo, anyways, as I was saying, yeah, so you guys just be safe. make sure you're taking the precautions that you need to, and protect your loved ones as much as you can. And I will check in with you guys later. I'm not sure what we're up to today because, like I said, we're just gonna be inside. But yeah, my battery just died, but thank God we have the same camera because I just found her battery's just sitting here. So public schools are closed down, and you have people that are like trying to figure out, what am I gonna do with my kid? Like, there's no daycares are closed down too.
They were looking, some people were putting their kids, I was like, if the school is closed down for a reason, why would you go put your kids in daycare when because the time to get daycare things, they don't sanitize all those things, those toilets that those little kids use, they're snot running everywhere, they don't do that. So
but you know what, think about it this way too, Shan, those people, it's like they have to go to work. How Bill's gonna get paid? Like, it's crazy.
Well, thank God for Canada. Did you see? Trudeau just announced that they released the EI early, so money will be coming in. People won't have to worry about their mortgage or rent or food. Thank God for Canada. I could say,
so that's finalized? It's finalized?
So I think it's being finalized. I know the EI is finalized. So usually, what is it, 3 weeks you have to wait for EI? But now it's, what, less than a week I think you have to wait for it to come through. Because that's the reason why so much people are panicking. Right? And I was always saying, what about those people that were on welfare? Like, you know, in this time, they get welfare at the beginning or the end of the month. So, you know, whatever rent come out, their bills are paid or whatever little food that they can get. But for everybody that's stocking up and they don't have money in their savings.
That's what I said.
What were they doing?
was just talking about
so
this.
I'm sure, like, they've probably been panicking and calling their workers, but I think that the government is probably trying to help them out first, as opposed to the people that are working so they could top them up, right? Did you see that guy that he ordered 18,000 hand sanitizer?
Oh yeah.
Like, really?
Okay, yeah, that's another thing, guys. These people are clearing shelves, they're ordering all the stuff off of line, and then trying to resell them. I think Kijiji just banned where people cannot resell stuff, and I'm happy that Kijiji did that because I think that's so selfish. There was a couple in BC. I don't know if it's real, but I saw it all over like Six Buzz and Facebook.
Become selfish.
Too selfish. So they spent 70,000 and bought like Lysol, all this stuff, and then they end up reselling it and made a profit. So they made like 30,000. They made in total they made back 100,000. And I'm like, that's selfish. They should get in trouble for that. I think they should get in trouble for that.
They should. That is very selfish because there's people out there that need it. People that have kids.
Exactly.
Right? You got to think, if you were in that position and you didn't have that type of money to do something like that, you can't be selfish.
That's
and
insane.
They always say things like this, people show their true colors, and it's really sad.
But
it's really sad.
Can you imagine this whole coronavirus just decides to stop in like 2 weeks? Like, what are you gonna do with all that toilet paper you bought? Let me tell you guys something. I didn't stock up on stuff, I'm not even gonna lie, because this is like regular stuff we would buy. And if I see a good sale on toilet paper, I'll buy like 3, 4. Exactly. And like, we're fine. Lysol, like, you know, we always have Lysol in our house. So I don't even understand how people are just going out and it's like a big frenzy to go buy all this stuff now. It makes no sense to me. But just stop being selfish buyers. There's people out there that can't afford to stock up. Leave 1, 2 things for them. Another thing too is let me wash my hands. Another thing too is formula. I heard formula, like, people are legit can't find formula. Like, bruh, it's insane. It is insane.
Because they're taking everything off of the shelf. That's the problem. Everything. Oh, they should be here.
You guys, oh man, it's crazy. Like, this whole corona pandemic is sending people crazy or making them crazy.
That's where Mario said he just went into the pharmacy to get some medication. Like,
yeah, why are people not buying vitamins and stuff?
Marissa usually gets sick very often, especially this time. This time of year. Well, she remember she's premature, right? So she gets very sick. So he went to go pick up some medication to make sure that she had, because she's always coughing or whatever. So I went to get some cold medicine and stuff like that to have. He's like, I cannot find nothing in here. He's like, not even
medicine. Did he check Walmart?
Walmart? I think we did go. We did check Walmart before, and a lot of the medication there was clear off the shelf.
Wow, really? Yeah, man. You guys get your guys vitamins and stuff like that. Boost up your immune system.
So it's been crazy. I don't understand people. I really don't understand people though. But I pray and hope that everything is okay. I know that, like, even Spain right now, they say Europe is the biggest pandemic area, but with Spain, Like, did you see how much death happened in Italy? There are over 300 deaths in one night.
That's crazy.
Right? And then I think, where was it? Germany. Germany right now is another place that the death toll is rising rapidly. Like, it's literally crazy. So, I don't know.
One of my, well, this girl we know that we went to high school with, she's actually, she was tested positive for corona. She's in Germany right now.
Yeah?
She said it's crazy. And she's like, she made this post and she's like, guys, it's actually really serious. If you do not have to go out, do not go out. It's crazy.
Girl, I find so much things to do. I'm okay. I can sit in my house. I can do research, do some school stuff, and sit here and wait it out. The only time I would have to go out is if I really need milk and stuff like that. And you know, I think it's gonna get to the point where they're gonna either have people bring you groceries.
Like soldiers or like people are dressed up in masks and like here.
Yeah, come hand you groceries at your door, or it's gonna be to the point where they're not gonna let so much people in at the grocery store at one time. Because remember, every time you touch something, it was like the same thing when we were grocery shopping and that lady was fighting me for the cart.
Yeah.
And you touch the grocery cart, you touch that basket, you're touching the checkout point, you gotta punch in. And remember, everybody pretty much in Canada don't even use cash, they swipe their card. So how much time does somebody really think about, oh, I need to wipe off that machine because I need to punch in my code, right?
Me and Ziggy was just saying, like, we go, okay, you clean your hands, you go in this grocery store, whatever, you clean your hands. But technically, someone can touch a can and put it back and you don't even know, you bring it in your house.
Yep.
So like, are we really protecting ourselves?
Oh Lord, this is the thing.
It sounds, what's spicy? What are you saying that's spicy?
These? Yeah.
Oh, I didn't try this.
Okay,
Look how bright come Shan house come eating all her food. Anyways guys, I think that's enough ranting. Where's Mr. Mario?
Down there. Maybe he's prepping at the door. I told him to take off his clothes at the door and then straight to the washing machine.
Every time you guys go outside?
I ain't taking no chances. Take your clothes off at the door.
We have a hand sanitizer right by our door too.
Yeah. Well, ours is right there. That's the only one we could find. We couldn't find any of the other ones. You know, we got that Home Depot.
In Jamaica, supposedly people are stealing supplies from the hospital and selling it. And I'm like, that's mean. Like, that's evil because you already know Jamaica hospitals, like, they run low on stuff.
Exactly. And they don't have enough. They're not getting enough stuff anyways, as it is. What? Nisha just came.
What? Are you joking? My car is there. Mr. Williams is home.
What do you mean?
Yeah, right. You're lying because if someone was wrecking my car, you would come call me.
No, which way about with you?
Stop joking. Is he joking?
What am I doing?
That's a lie.
Where you at,
In front of the garage.
What?
I'm in the one now, come on.
Stop joking, Mario.
Huh?
Put the car.
You're scared because I didn't see you.
He's Seal. Mario.
Out here.
Barefoot too. Where is he? You see your big head?
It's purple.
Come show me your goodies. I'm joking.
It looks good.
Mine?
Yeah, it's purple.
Thanks, yeah. I feel like ever since I cut it, my curls are like coming back.
Coming back. Bounce it. Yeah, I wanted to take Kate to go get her hair.
I told her to go where I went to do mine. Keisha just colored her hair. Let's see, moment of truth. It's like literally all down to your eyebrow right here.
I know, because I had to turn over to wash it out.
Yo, red hair actually suits you. Like, you just look like a different type of level of sexy. Oh my god, I have Shan's battery. I have to go get mine.
Now you just want us to go back there for sure now.
Okay, ask her what you're asking me.
Okay, so Keisha, if you could, Nisha, this question goes for you too. But we don't give you a response yet. Tell us when you have it. We're all going to say it at the same time.
I got it on camera.
Okay, listen.
I'm not taking it out.
If you could pick one sibling to live with, who would it be? Why are you dying?
Who would you pick, Shauna?
No, we all have to say it.
Nobody's picking. Okay, we're all... What'd she say?
Oh, she said she knows that I'm picking her.
Okay, guys. On 3, we're gonna say who would we choose.
Okay.
Wait, let me think first.
I already know my answer, so hurry up.
Okay, I know my answer too.
Okay.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Mike! You said Mike?
Yeah, I said Shauna.
No, it said me.
I said Keisha. Your
When I
babysit.
blood clot start come, you have the most money. You're not idiot. But you know.
But the funny thing is, I cook. Who said me?
I said you.
Yeah, you better. What'd you say? Mike. Why Mike?
That's my dog.
Because he's not gonna lecture her.
Because Mike understands that I'm a grown woman.
Bye.
Which part of you is grown?
Show me your bank statement.
Show me your titties. Like.
Show me your bum.
Ew, okay, let me tell you guys.
You guys see 0 in?
Are you vlogging? No, but the camera's actually on. That's what you need to know.
I know.
Are you vlogging, Mama?
Yeah.
Why
What
do
do
you
you-
don't off her mouth when people think she's a poor?
It's donut on her mouth, guys, by the way. It's not boogers. She just kept dipping in my donuts. Watch them now. Watch them now.
Oh, you said me?
I said because you're
Okay,
gonna
but why no
babysit.
one didn't pick me though?
I was only joking so Keisha didn't feel bad. Mike would choose you. To make it fair, we all just chose each other. I would choose Shauna because she knows
So if
the.
you call Mike and ask him right now.
Should we do it again?
No, don't tell him R1.
Okay, fine.
What? You just here chilling.
Okay, you're rude. Don't tell me shh. One lick of purple, that's right there. It's the paint wax.
I had a quick question. If you could live with any sibling, who would it be?
Only one.
Oh, you can only pick
You're
one.
dumb.
Who? Seriously, look at my face dirty like.
Just put it on the phone.
Love you.
No.
I was gonna say Keisha, but she's too messy for me.
So choose one. We already chose.
Between you and Nisha, I don't know.
Between me and
No, you
Nisha?
have to choose one.
Yeah, you have to pick
we
one.
Chose. We'll tell you who we chose.
I don't know.
No,
Mike, pick one. The world's come to an end, don't you know?
Sort of.
Hurry up, Max.
No, you need to block out my face because blackhead and shit be all up on
Because they
this.
said put the phone.
I actually don't
put the camera on
know.
the phone.
Seriously.
No, Mike,
I'll
you
let
have
know.
to.
I'll think about it and I'll let
No,
you
we all
Like,
had
it's not
literally
that
2
serious,
minutes,
like,
yeah.
Choose one. No one's gonna feel who's getting hurt. We're gonna.
know.
Shauna, just say Shauna, because no one
No,
chose
pick,
her.
no.
Honestly, no. I'm probably gonna say Nisha because Nisha knows.
Dismissible one. Dismissible one.
With the phone.
Which one do you guys poo?
I think it's Dira.
No God.
Dira, you poo-poo?
You poop. You guys, so no one chose Shauna.
You are stupid though because I can cook too and I can clean and I got the money. So.
Okay, so why'd you choose me?
Well,
You would be my second option.
So you would choose yourself?
Between my and Keisha, you cook and clean.
You'd be my
so
second
why?
option, Shauna. I would pick
I
Keisha
want to be
last.
one second.
Oh my god, no, Shauna. One of them actually pooed on the floor. It fell on the floor right there. I'm joking, it's donut.
Oh my God, don't do that.
We were trying to order grocery online. Honey, you just colored your hair. Get off of me.
Are you enough or enough? Your vlog.
Anyways, we were trying to order grocery online. Usually you can do
Yisha,
same day pickup,
You know
but
how
it's
people
pick up
chat
Thursday.
back, but you can put your damn iron your shirt.
I don't care. No. Anyways, yeah, we were trying to order grocery online, but usually you get same day pickup. I've never done it before. Sean, you get same day pickup?
If you order early enough, like say if you put in your order from like 8 in the morning,
Yeah.
there's a possibility you could get like an evening pickup.
So right now we're getting like, today's what?
I should change to Walmart.
Monday?
Maybe it's the Walmart I chose.
They're telling us to pick it up Thursday. Like that is deep.
You get
Feels like a
24
Sunday.
hours for sure.
Okay.
I don't know what this is.
That's just to show you guys how crazy this pandemic is. Like people don't want to go out to order their
It's not
own.
a pandemic.
It's a what?
Them say a pandemic.
What?
Them a panic.
That was good.
Them a panic.
Them a panic.
Oh my God.
Come,
Yeah, so we're just here chilling. We're debating if we want to go back to Shan's house. I have Shan's battery, so I do have to go back to her house. Is it Nyla?
Hey, y'all.
Lyra, come here.
So guys, vlog's ending right here. I didn't do anything. I ended up just staying home. Gonna give a quick little shout out to Sharina Powell. She's a newbie family. Love you from Jamaica. Big up Ann Powell. Thanks for the vlog. Are you guys related? And big up yourself, Jay Chrissy, Nyla Mischievous. If laugh out loud, Lyra is so tall, she is. Big up your guys self. Have a blessed night. Love you guys.